Hello guys, today I have the DOOGEE Blade 20 Max and I'm going to tell you what to do if your Bluetooth is not connecting in your device. Or with, it depends on what you want to do, but of course we want to fix that Bluetooth is not connecting on your device. So if you are trying to connect your earbuds, this is for you. Or just some speaker, or you want to pair something. No matter, doesn't matter. Let's start with the video. At first, open the settings, and now you need to go to the connected devices. Tap connection preferences, and here tap Bluetooth. Now tap use Bluetooth to disable the Bluetooth connection module. Now, once Bluetooth is disabled, enable it back again. If you had it disabled, make sure that this is enabled. But if you had enabled, toggle it off and on. This will refresh your module and make the connection fresh, and yeah, so on. If it doesn't work for you, go back. And here in the saved devices, if you do have your device not connected but saved in the saved devices list, tap this device and forget this device from the list. I don't have actually, unfortunately, any device that can be Bluetooth that can be paired with this device. But here, tap the device, and here, somewhere here on the screen, you should have the forget button. Then try to pair your device back again with your phone. This should be working for you, and you should be good to go. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to now click the power and volume up at the same time and tap restart on the screen. Here, what I do recommend doing now is to restart your phone and factory reset your Bluetooth device. Not reset the device, not restart, just reset. Like, you know, factory restart, like just all the settings, and yeah, this should fix your issue. Because sometimes the issue is just your device, not your phone. And apart from that, you can try to pair your Bluetooth device. For example, if these are earbuds, if this is some speaker, no matter what, just try to pair this device with another phone or tablet or PC or laptop. Just check if the problem isn't the device itself, like, you know, the Bluetooth device. But if your phone can't connect to any Bluetooth device, like if you want to, for example, pair a speaker and you don't want to pair the earbuds, but if you try to pair the earbuds, you still can't, and yeah, you know, the device is working but your phone is not working, you need to contact device support because your device may be broken. And if it's the other way, the problem is not your device like phone, it's headphones or earbuds. And as a last resort on your phone, what we can do, go to the settings, here scroll all the way down to the system, and now tap system updates. Here tap check for updates, and as I can say, I don't have Wi-Fi currently turned on, but if you do have Wi-Fi, mobile data, etc., check if you do have any updates available in your device. If you do, update your device. It's because sometimes DOOGEE, Xiaomi, any company, sometimes, as you might know, they release some update that in the list or just the simple description, there is fixed some bugs. There may be some fix about the connectivity or any other thing that can fix your issue. If you don't have any updates, just contact device support or factory reset your device, but I'd rather do a backup and contact device support because your Bluetooth module can be just broken and you need a new phone or new Bluetooth module, but they will rather give you a new phone rather than Bluetooth module. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!